name is Zondo. I'm sat in the EDGE GX1, the first gaming chair designed with true ergonomics expertise. It has a full range of movement, absolutely everything is adjustable, from adjustable lumbar support to basically the tilting motion in the chair as well. You can go all the way fully back, and then you can kind of get right forward into your game as well. I unfortunately do suffer from a bad back and do spend way too long sat in front of monitors, so something like this has really helped improve my posture, and it feels really, really good.
My name's Clyde Crawford, Technical Director at EDGE Gaming Products. I'm a Chartered Ergonomist and Human Factors Specialist. The GX1 is hand-built in the UK. It comes with a 5-year guarantee and it satisfies key load rating and fire safety standards. The chair's been made with a material that's a mix of organic and non-organic fibres. It enables enhanced thermal comfort and excellent breathability, which enables people to sit on the chair, be comfortable for extended periods of time. The unique asynchronous gravity-driven tilt mechanism of the chair enables users to adopt a dynamic sitting position and easily transition between a variety of positions to counteract the effects of sustained sitting. Gamers are fully supported in the forward-leaning, fully engaged position through the negative tilt that's offered by the seat base and additional adjustability that's provided by the backrest and the head and neck support. Gamers can be well supported in the standard upright position with the chair for when they use the keyboard, mouse and do normal office-like activities or to use and interact with games. The reclined gaming position, which is often used for streaming, watching videos, more relaxed console gaming, can be adopted with the GX1 through the adjustment and support that's provided from the backrest and the seat base and the headrest. The gamer can also lock each position if they wish to adopt a comfortable seated posture. The GX1's been designed from the bottom up. The seat base has been contoured and designed to fit and to support a sustained seated gaming position. The backrest has been contoured to support both the lower and the upper back to provide additional lateral support for the kidneys, but yet enhance and enable more freedom of movement for the shoulders. The headrest has been contoured to support the natural curvature of the neck while also supporting the head. The headrest is adjustable in height, depth and rotation to support the head and the neck in a reclined, upright or engaged gaming position. The armrests are 4-dimensional, adjustable in height, width, rotation, fore and aft positioning. Traditional gaming chairs that have been modelled on a racing car seat design do not meet gamers' needs. They can restrict gamers' movement and fundamentally do not enable them to game at their best. The backrest incorporates an adjustable lower back or lumbar support. The support's inflatable, can be adjusted to suit the individual user, enabling greater lower back support, which is essential for any sustained sitting periods. The backrest is independently height adjustable, so the contouring of the backrest, both the lower and the mid-back support, can be adjusted for individual height differences of gamers. The backrest tilt is also tension adjustable. Each gamer can adjust the degree of resistance from the backrest when they're sitting in a dynamic position. The seat is adjustable in height to support a range of gamers' positions and statures depending on the height of their desk. The EDGE GX1 is available now. For more information and to order a chair, please visit our website.